So starting standing, start with arm circles back with the left arm. Really get the arm swinging. Get the blood moving to the fingers. And then forward. Try to keep your elbows straight. Arm close to the body. And then right arm back. And forward. Good, and then feet a little wider apart, hands on the shoulders, twisting. Try to keep your elbows up, but shoulders relaxed. Each time you twist back, you go a little bit further as the muscles of the back and the abdomen start to loosen up. And then release. And then bringing the elbows together, circling back. Try to use your full range of motion here. Elbows going all the way up, all the way back and forward. Good, and then let's reverse, going to the back and then forward, rolling with the shoulders. And then shaking it out. And coming down to sitting. Feet are together, knees out to the sides. And then just pulsing the knees a little bit, loosening up any tension from the hips and groin. And then folding forward. You fold forward as far as you are comfortable. So I could stretch all the way forward. You might not be there. It's likely that you probably aren't there. That's fine. You just stretch as far forward as you're comfortable. Make sure you keep breathing, exhaling any tension. And then coming back up, stretching the legs out. And now we make a diamond shape and flare your toes out to the sides. Grab onto your toes and then come forward. So again, I can come all the way forward, but you're probably just going to come partially forward. And think about lifting your tailbone up to the back, getting a good stretch through your bum. That's part of the purpose of opening up here with the feet. You can pull on your feet. And then lifting the tailbone back as you hold. Exhaling any tension. And then coming back up and opening up the legs as far as you're comfortable. And then again, coming forward, maybe it's onto the hands, maybe it's onto the elbows, and maybe it's all the way forward to the floor. And then coming back, and then legs together, raise the arms up, forward fold. And again, you're coming forward as far as you're comfortable. Make sure wherever you are that your shoulders, face, jaw are relaxed, and that your knees are straight. Feet are relaxed. If you can reach your toes, you take the first two fingers wrapped around with the thumbs, around the big toes. And then inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, release. Good. And then rocking forward and back. Get a nice massage for your back. And now I like to roll all the way back into a plow pose. Just a real easy plow pose, getting a nice rounded back, good stretch for the whole back of the body. I like to drop my knees towards the sides of my head. If you're not doing that, that's perfectly fine. You can stay rocking forward and back. Or you can drop the knees any amount towards the floor. It's simply to get a good stretch in the back because I find my back is quite stiff after waking up. And that will be difficult. It's always very difficult to do that pose in the morning. Linking the hands together, squeezing the shoulder blades together and pressing the chest forward. And then rocking from side to side. Keeping the chest pressing forward. And releasing, and then hands behind the head again, pressing out the chest, and I'm pulling the elbows back as much as I can, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and then release there, just a stretch for the chest. Rolling the shoulders back and forward a few times. And then dropping chin to the chest, rolling the head up to the right. And then rolling back to center, left ear to left shoulder, rolling to center, up to the right. And then center, up to the left. Just nice half neck rolls here. Hands to the back of the head, pressing the head up into the hands. Back is straight, chest is lifted. Rotating nose in towards the left armpit. And then over towards right armpit. Back to center. And release. Good, arms up, opening up. I'm pulling the wrists open, fingers are pulling back, getting a good stretch through the wrists and arms and chest. Taking deep breaths there. And another couple of deep breaths, letting go of any tension. Namaste.